In this video, I am showing you how you can use image presentation layout options for posts on Facebook. So firstly, what you need to do, you have to open your Facebook app and then you have to click on the photos and then you have to click on the select multiple in the top right corner, and here you have to select the multiple posts that you want to include in your image presentation layout, and then tap on the next button in the top right corner. After that, you can see your image presentation layout. In the most bottom you can see all your layouts. This is classic and this is columns, so you can choose any of the layouts that you like. So that's it, and after choosing the layout that you like, you can simply click on the post in the top right corner, and now it is posting, and after some times it is posted. So that's it, at how you can use image presentation layout options for posts on Facebook. You can also edit it later. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.